BlueProbe is a compact, high-accuracy Bluetooth Probe Deflection Gauge designed for precise displacement and deflection measurement. BlueProbe works with Windows, iOS, and Android devices, and you can connect multiple BlueProbes and other types of wireless gauges simultaneously. It also has a fast sampling rate, meaning it's a great tool for snap checks, slew-bearing wear tests, and other applications that require high-speed measurements. BlueProbe can be used with the standard probe tip, or you can extend the reach of your deflection probe by adding the extension rod included in the case. Depending on your requirements, you can also add other, longer extension rods with an M2.5 thread. In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to correctly install any extension rod for BlueProbe. Let's get started. When removing the probe tip to install the extension rods, you must use the supplied key wrench tool. You must not apply any torque to the spindle while holding the gauge, as this may damage the internal sensor. First, hold the probe spindle with the key wrench in one hand as shown here. Next, gently twist off the probe tip with your other hand, while using the key wrench to hold the spindle steady. Keep holding the spindle with the tool and slowly tighten the extension rod. Then replace the probe tip. Remove the key wrench and you are ready to start recording high-accuracy deflection measurement with BlueProbe. Visit our website or contact us to learn more about our custom wireless measurement solutions.